Ever thought your truck could be your ticket to financial freedom? Dive into a world where every haul adds to your wallet. Stay tuned to transform your truck into a cash engine on wheels. Let's unveil the road to hauling hundreds. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into how your truck can become your own cash machine. Stay with us till the end as each minute unfolds avenues to drive your earnings up. Owning a truck isn't just about having a powerful vehicle. It's about the numerous opportunities to make money. There are various ways to put that metal beast to work and generate a nice income. Let's dig into some of these opportunities, shall we? Local delivery services are a hot market right now. Many businesses, both big and small, are constantly in need of reliable transportation for their goods within a local area. Your truck could be the solution to their logistical challenges. Reach out to local businesses like furniture stores, appliance outlets, or even landscaping companies. Offer your services, emphasizing your punctuality, reliability, and the capacity to handle hefty loads. It's about creating a local network that regularly requires your trucking services. Utilize online platforms and local directories to promote your services. It's about making your presence known to those in need of reliable delivery services. The more visible you are, the higher the chances of landing lucrative deals. Moving and hauling assistance is another avenue to explore. People are always on the move, and relocating belongings can be a daunting task. Your truck could serve as a moving companion for individuals or families shifting homes. Promote your moving and hauling services across different platforms. Websites, community boards, and social media are excellent channels to reach potential customers. Highlight the capacity and safety features of your truck to provide assurance of a smooth moving experience. Building a reputation for exceptional service is key. Satisfied customers are likely to refer your services to others. Word of mouth is a powerful tool in this business, so ensure each client is satisfied with your service. Junk removal and recycling is not just a money-making venture, but also a service to the environment. Your truck can serve as the bridge between cluttered spaces and recycling facilities. It's about turning trash into cash, quite literally. Sensing the vibes? Join our Vibe Tribe. Subscribe, click like, and ring the bell to continue grooving with us. Ready to keep the vibe alive? Let's jump back in. Target residential areas or collaborate with businesses specializing in junk removal. It's about creating a network that regularly requires junk hauling services. Your truck could be the vessel that clears out the clutter. Promoting eco-friendly practices while offering your services could be a unique selling point. It's about educating your clients on the positive environmental impact of responsible disposal and recycling. This not only builds a loyal customer base, but also contributes to a greener planet. Construction and landscaping sectors are another fertile ground for your trucking services. Trucks play a vital role in hauling materials, equipment, and debris in these industries. Your truck could be the backbone of a local construction or landscaping project. Network with local contractors, builders, and landscapers to offer your trucking services. Ensure your truck is well equipped to handle heavy loads and equipment. It's about creating long-term partnerships that provide a steady stream of income. Long-distance transport is for those with a love for the open road. The journey might be long, but the financial rewards can be worth the miles. Whether it's interstate or cross-country, transporting goods over long distances has its own share of profits. Building relationships with logistics companies or freight brokers can be your entry point into long-distance transport. Ensure your truck is well equipped for the long haul, both for cargo safety and your own comfort during the journey. Insurance coverage is crucial in long-distance transport. It not only instills trust with logistics partners, but also safeguards you from potential liabilities. It's an essential aspect that ensures the safety of your cargo and peace of mind for your clients. In conclusion, your truck is a potential money-making machine. From local deliveries, moving and hauling, junk removal, construction support to long-distance transport, the possibilities are endless. It's about exploring different avenues, building reliable networks, and providing exceptional service. So grab the wheel, hit the road, and start making money with your truck. The road to financial success might just be a truck ride away. Still here? Your persistence is about to strike gold. Immerse yourself in a free ebook, unveiling the elite online business strategy to launch today. The adventure, however, doesn't end there. After digesting the ebook, a pulsating 15-day challenge awaits, intricately designed for this digital escapade. Navigating with expert mentors, shattering insights, and a toolkit robustly equipped, you're positioned for online leadership. Can you feel the potential bubbling? Move assertively. Click the link in the description this second and launch yourself into a universe of digital mastery. Drawing the curtains on today's e-earning wisdom. Tried it out? Questions or aha moments? Paint the comments with your thoughts. Were the financial colors vibrant today? Smash like to show some love. Crave more monetary masterpieces? Subscribe and hit the bell, ensuring you're first for every unveiling. But don't pack your brushes. Notice the video on display? It's another artful method of earning online. Click, and let's continue painting a prosperous future together. Till our next masterpiece.